Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to add Robinhood to your Metamask wallet and to your OKX wallet. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. So guys, first is to open your Metamask wallet. So then you input your passcode. So you then click on this icon at the top right of your screen. Scroll downwards and click networks. Okay, so you then click add network. So you have network name, RPC URL, RPC name, chain ID, and symbol. So your network name is Robinhood chain. Then RPC URL, you copy and you paste. It will be in the description. Let's copy. You then paste this right here. That's the RPC URL. The chain ID is 4663. The symbol is ETH. And then the block explorer URL, you copy and paste too. It will be in the description. So let's copy, let's paste. So once you're done, you click save. And that's it, guys. Look at your Robinhood chain right here. And to add Robinhood to your OKX wallet, open your wallet right here. Then tap this ball icon at the top right of your screen. Then click RPC networks. So once you're here, the next step is to search for Robinhood. It's right here, so you tap it. And that's it, guys. You've successfully added Robinhood to your OKX wallet. It's very easy. That's it on the video. Thank you for watching. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.